Sixan Manual, with Team Captain Maria Teresa Lique, Team Crimson.
For Caterpillar Balloon Team Leader, Shirley Andinong, Gloria Amanya, Jeff Che Arnamento, Annie Rose Dasal, J. Mark Magaro, Jacqueline Passer, Jonard Ramos, and Beverly Solero.
For Giant Beach Volleyball Team Leader, Rochelle Macabugaw, Rowena Abelio, Dexter Joy Calderon, Caroline Danao, John Di Gallo, Isagani Gulis, Marie Rose Noliora, and Alden Reyes.
Run Caribisco Run Team Leader, Felipe Europa, Bernabe Edith, Jeremy Kumbalizer, Adan Cusal, Jovelyn Masalig, Darlie John Penes, Erica Rimando, and Resel Valledo.
For Coconut Shoot Team Leader, Juniel Dumlao, Imelda Sayas, Frederick Dino, Alvin Dumasi, Carla Benel Barton, Prudential Lorica, Ramon Silviti Jr., and Laika Villarin.
Ito ang grupong chill sa break time dahil break time means wafer time na binubuo ng line 4 at wafer line na pinamumunuan ni Mr. Jonathan Bulpa, Team Zion!
For Caterpillar Balloon Team Leader, Arvin Silao, Roman Freyas, Mark Red Rodriguez, Danilo Igon-Igon, Joan Ternida, Karen Macawile, Virginia Cabanillas,